These biscuits are crumbly, buttery, and packed with pistachio and cranberry in every bite. No rolling pin, no cutter, just one bowl, one shortcut, and your microwave. Here's how. In a mixing bowl, add half cup melted ghee and half cup powdered sugar. Whisk until smooth and well combined. This is what gives these biscuits that melt in the mouth texture. Add a splash of vanilla extract and mix it in. Now add 1 cup wheat flour, 1 tablespoon milk powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then add chopped pistachios and dried cranberries. Mix gently to form a soft dough. Instead of cutting individual biscuits by hand, shape the dough into a neat rectangular block. Place it on a sheet of cling film and press and fold the edges until it forms a firm, even rectangle. This step makes this recipe so easy. Wrap it up tightly, tucking in the sides, and pop it into the fridge for 30 minutes. This firms up the ghee so every slice holds its shape perfectly. In the meantime, I am prepping my tray with parchment paper. This is the best part. Every single biscuit comes out the same size, no shaping needed. Arrange the slices on baking tray, leaving a little space between each one. Place the tray into the microwave on convection mode. No preheating needed. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 17 minutes until the edges turn a light golden brown. Every microwave convection is a little different, so keep an eye on them after 12 minutes. Let the biscuits cool completely before moving them. They firm up as they cool, so don't skip this part. Look at that texture, crumbly, buttery with pistachio and cranberry in every single bite. Perfect with evening chai, made entirely in a microwave and the easiest shaping method you will ever try. If you make these, let me know how they turned out. See you in the next one. Try it and you will not regret.